Hi, I'm going to making the bulgogi chicken today. I have about 9 ounce chicken thigh and 6 ounce of onion, half ounce of green onion, and half ounce of chili pepper. This is spicy. This is really spicy. And 3 tablespoons of bulgogi sauce. The bottle look like that. 1 tablespoon of cooking wine. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And for the seasoning the chicken, I put a pinch of salt and the white pepper and cooking wine. Mix. Then I put the cornstarch in it. And also I put about a tablespoon of oil in it. Oh, that looks good. Okay, I'm gonna put some oil in it. And I put the chicken in it first. Okay, that looks good. I'm gonna remove it. Okay, I'm gonna clean the wok. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm putting a little bit oil in it. Then I put all the onion in it. Then I put the chili red pepper in it. Then I put all the chicken back to the wok. Then I put a bulgogi sauce in it. And I put all the green onion in it. Okay, this is all done. Okay, I'm going to put a green onion on top of it. That's I make today the bulgogi chicken.